Look at Myro. We hit our price targets that we had up here yesterday. We had roughly around 23 cents as a target. This thing ended up going up to just about 25 cents. All right. So pretty close there. We almost nailed that. This thing should, after this pullback, have another push up here. Right. I'm going to show you that here in a second. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles over here. You can see here, Bitcoin's having a little bit of a pull down here, so it's ripping everything down with it right now. Okay, it's going on right now as I'm making this video and having a little bit of a pullback. All right, if we come over here to CoinMarketCap, let's take a look at the volume on Myro. And if you would, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. If you're a member, level 3 member, I put out a new video today. It's on Fibonacci, using the Fibonacci. I have two videos on that now in the trading lesson. So if you want to go check that out, it's about a 15-minute long video. If you have any questions at all, just hit me up. All right. I hope you enjoy it. It's a pretty decent video. All right, here we go. Volume's up 32.87% at 88.7 million. The market cap is at 184.7 million, up 13.9%. And we are at, right now we're at 0.1956, up 14.28% for the day. So not too bad. Even volume is looking great. Isn't that crazy? 88 million in volume with $184 million market cap. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's go over here real quick. I want to show you this pullback real quick with Bitcoin, and then we're going to get to Myro here. And I had, if you guys watch my Caspa videos, even if you don't, please go check that video out. There's some very, very important stuff in there I went over today with what is to come with Bitcoin. All right, I look out for my people, and please just go check that Caspa video out, please. You know, you can fast forward the Caspa stuff, but please go in and see what I say about Bitcoin. It's super important. And I'm not at all starting FUD. I'm showing you what happened in 2019, but after that happened, that's when our bull run really took off. Okay, and we're coming to the Bitcoin halving, but we're going to have a massive pullback in Bitcoin. That's coming. All right, so please go check that video out. It's worth your time. My Caspa video. I go in deep on what's going to go on, how deep of corrections that we're going to have with the altcoins. It's going to be a big sale, is what it's going to be. Yeah, I look at it as an opportunity. All right, a big one, and it's coming. All right, so please go check it out. But you can see Bitcoin pulling back. It could pull back down here to, you know, right around 40,000 bucks. You know, it's lost that this support right up here at, you know, right around 41.1. It lost that area, and still pushing down a little bit. You know, if we go on a 30-minute chart, you know, you can see it. You can see it just pushing down here. So nothing abnormal. We have that with Bitcoin's down 1,800 bucks though today, so having a pretty decent pullback. Now let's go take a look at Myro here, because I got some price areas for you guys to keep an eye on if you're looking for a pullback. Okay, let's go out in a daily, or wait, let's go in an 8-hour. There we go, that's better. All right, you can see how we went up there. I love it because we got that price target. All right, we were shooting for that. We overextended it just a little bit, so that's awesome. Let's move it up a hair then. There we go. That's where the candles closed. We were pretty close still, you know. Yeah, I mean, geez, you can't really complain about that. All right, now if we're looking for a pullback here, all right, we're going to go from our swing low of this move to the swing high, all right, and see where a pullback could bring us. We'll be looking for a 618 or 702 retracement here, okay? Let's get up to the top. There we go. Whoops. All right, I apologize. We're going to go from down here, swing low, right there. Okay, that's our swing low of the move. Right here to our swing high. I apologize on what I was thinking there. Anyway, normally right around, let me get this up here, 618, 702, or 786 would be your pullback area. Right down through here. All right, let me outline this area. Right through here. Okay, right down here is where we should be pulling back to, and that's where we should get our bounce. Okay, anywhere from right around 15.7 down to 13.3 to 15.7, anywhere in that range. Usually the 618 or the 702 is where you bounce, so that would be 15.7 or 14.5. That's where this thing should retrace, pull down to, should pull down, you know, come down to this level, and then we should have our shot up. Now, what price would we be looking at for this thing to go to after this pullback? All right, let me show you, because we got higher targets here. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that very, very much. All right, we have a target here with the trend-based fib from a swing low to the swing high to the retracement. We have a target for Tamyro up here, you know, towards 35.5 cents. You know, let me do this one more time. I really don't like using wicks, but that's the beginning of the wave right there. Okay, so your trend-based fib, and this trend-based fib is pretty accurate, but I'm gonna go from here. I'm not gonna use the wick. Just you know, if we overshoot it, we overshoot it. That's great. All right, about 30 cents. 30 cents. Right there, that should be the fifth wave target. After we retrace down here and bounce down here, we should be shooting up towards 30 cents. All right, so keep your eye on this area down here if you're looking for an entry, guys. You could get a really good entry down here. Remember them numbers I just told you, and look for a bounce from there, and then we're heading up to then we should be heading up to 30 cents. All right, this is not financial advice, guys. Please don't go sell your houses and stuff. You know, just because I said it's going up here, anything can happen in crypto. That's just the way it goes. But if everything plays out good, right, and then Bitcoin doesn't have a massive collapse, this thing should come down here to the 618 or 702, bounce from there, and we should be heading up towards 30 cents. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.